Hi, George here. Normally, YouTube adds in automatic subtitles on all of your YouTube videos. And this can work fine. You can activate those by clicking on the CC right down here. There's an example of the closed captioning. But YouTube subtitles are probably not perfect, and you should check them for spelling errors. And they may not think that subtitles and closed captions are important on YouTube, but a lot of people use text on screen for a variety of reasons. Let's see how many people on my channel are using subtitles on my videos. First off, go to Analytics over here, then click on the Audience tab and scroll down. And on the right-hand side over here, you'll see top subtitle CC languages right here. I have mine set for the last 28 days, so this is current information. No subtitles, 86.1%, and English subtitles, 12.7%. So a good portion of my audience is using subtitles on my videos. And that's a large enough percentage of my audience that I want to make sure that the subtitles are correct. Here's some of my videos in search results. The video that has manual subtitles added has a nice CC icon, and that's right here. You can see it right there. And that lets viewers know that that video has corrected subtitles. This can increase views from people who need closed captioning on videos. This is because they will trust the subtitles more when the video creator has manually checked and corrected them. So that little CC icon right down here can get you some more views. Now, there are just a few steps to check and adjust subtitles. Let's go back to my site page here. And we'll start off in the Content tab and choose the video that you want to work on, then click on the title for that video. There we go. And on the right-hand side, there's the subtitles. Click on Subtitles, let that load in. And it comes in as a pop-up window right here showing your subtitles in your language. Now, notice in here that this is all text. There's no timestamps. It's all kind of jumbled together. This can be useful if you want to use this as a basis for a blog post or something along those lines. So you have all of your text available. You can download this as text over here to the three dots and choose Download Subtitles. And it's going to download as a text file right there. So that's one way to use that. But we want to use this as subtitles, so we need to get this with the timings on there. So go up here and click on Edit Timings. You reset your subtitles so you have your subtitle here left-hand side and timing on the right-hand side. And then go up and click on the three dots again and come down again to Download Subtitles. And this time it comes down as an SBV file right here. Now, I always put mine into a new folder. I have one set up here for subtitles, and I'll give it a name. This one is just change background. There we go. And click on Save, and then save that. And that's downloaded. And you can edit SBV files in any word processing program. Even Windows Notepad works out just fine. I happen to like using Windows WordPad. It has more features, but it's still a real fast editor. Let's go ahead and bring that up. And here's WordPad. You can either go up to File and Open and find your file this way, or you can just go to the folder where you downloaded it, right-click, Open With, and there's WordPad. That's the one that I last used. If you don't see it in here, then just choose another app. If you don't see it here, click down in this section here, and then look for that in your list, and you'll find that. Okay, I'll just use WordPad, right-click, Open With, WordPad, and there we go. And here's all of the timestamps up here and all of the text. Now, don't edit the timestamps, leave those alone, but go through and carefully check the spelling and what it says in all of these lines in here. At the end of each top line, notice there's kind of an A with an umlaut above it. Leave that alone. That's just a line break for the coding for the subtitle. So leave that alone, leave it on there. But check the spelling for everything else, make sure it says what you want, and go through and carefully check the whole file down here and make sure it's all correct. Now I'll pause the video just for a moment here. I'll go through and check this file and make any corrections that it needs. Then I'll bring the video right back up again. Okay, I finished my checking and I found a few spelling errors in there. I'll just go ahead and click on Save on that. We can now close this down. And there's the corrected SBV file. Let's now go back over to YouTube and upload that back onto our video. And we're back here onto the subtitle page. Go over here and click on those three dots again. And this time, Upload File. And it should be in the same location that you want to upload with timing. And continue. There it is. Let's bring this back into the program in. And then click on Done, and you're all set. It may take a little bit of time for your video in search results to refresh and get that little CC icon, but it's going to be up there pretty soon. Now, you don't need to do this with all of your videos, but I would suggest adding in manually edited subtitles to all of your popular videos. There's a very good chance that viewers that want closed captioning will be watching those popular videos. And if you're looking for ways to earn money on YouTube, then check out my new master course all about making money on YouTube without waiting for monetization. You'll find a link for that at the top of the description. And while you're there, make sure you grab your free copy of my guide to the top 20 niches for making money on YouTube. Take a look at my channel for more videos on how to work with and improve your YouTube channel and videos. And don't forget to click on the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my HTG Success channel for more great YouTube content. And I'll see you next time.